Hello, welcome to Term 5 and our CTC101 course. My name is Dr. Brianne Wynn, and I will be your instructor over the next 8 weeks. As a quick reminder, our first official day of class is Monday, March 7th, and the last day of the first unit, or the first week, is Sunday, March 13th. Please keep those dates in mind. I highly recommend doing a few things to make sure that this term is super great. The first thing that I'd like you to do is please review the welcome email that I have sent to both your post and personal email addresses. Please let me know if you have any questions and or concerns after reviewing that email. Next, head on over to the Meet the Instructor tab. There you can locate my contact information as well as learn a little bit about me. After doing that, I highly recommend introducing yourself in the Unit 1 Discussion Board tab. There you can also interact with your peers. Next, I recommend going to the Course Info tab and downloading the syllabus. This syllabus can be printed and or saved to your computer to be reviewed at a later date. Lastly, I share weekly announcements in a Blackboard classroom, and I highly recommend reviewing them and letting me know if you have any questions or concerns throughout the term. I'm really looking forward to a great 8 weeks, and I hope that each and every one of you know that we're on this journey together. Take care.